Welcome to Mr. M. For this video, I'm going to be going just really brief high-level overview of the etching process for an aluminum top plate on a Headway Bank. I'll just quickly run through the equipment I used and the very basic process, and then we'll take a look at how it turned out. And yeah, let's get right into it. So here we have a very basic desktop CNC. It's small. You can see it's not a very big unit. You can see that while I was learning how to use it, I went directly into the work surface a couple times, like a lot of times. I was working on another project. You can see I use it quite a bit for aluminum. That being said, I have a basic 2mm carbide end mill. It's small, they get smaller, but because I'm doing a bit of cutting as well, that's kind of my go-to bit for working with aluminum. Unfortunately, this particular motor only goes up to 10,000 RPM, so it's not the fastest. I don't actually think it even achieves 10,000. I think it's in the high 9s, but it's served its purpose thus far. I'll probably either be upgrading it or building myself a bigger unit or something like that at some point. Right now, this one is I'll make do with it. It certainly has served its purpose for my projects. The first thing we're going to do with this is do some test etches in an MDF just to see how the image turns out, and then we'll get into seeing it work on the aluminum. So let's see how that goes. So I apologize for the noise. Right now I'm just testing out the G code I wrote to write the GSA logo or etch the GSA logo into the aluminum number 3 plate on a lithium bank that I built. We'll take a look at that in just a second, but we're just doing a test etch into some melamine coated MDF just to see what the how the logo comes out, not to see if it'll cut or whatever, but just to see how the logo itself turns out after running through this G code. So that's the G code I made. I know it's a sloppy ass meth. It's methed up, but it should do the outline correctly, and then also clear out the inside of the letters as well. And then once we have that all trimmed out on the MDF, then we'll throw the aluminum on there and give it a GSA logo in the top of in the middle of the number 3 plate on that lithium bank. So here we have the Lithium Bank with the GSA logo etched into the number 3 plate. It's not perfect. It's definitely got some flaws. I had my 2mm bit binding a bit once in a while. I was doing very, very small incremental depth per pass kind of approach to getting the logo etched, but overall, like I say, I think it turned out very good. So there it is, the Lithium Bank top plate or number 3 plate logo has been engraved. It didn't go exactly how I would have liked, but it turned out pretty good. I'm happy with it. So thanks for checking out this video. See you on the next one.